Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my August commission drawing, from the first sketch all the way to packaging it up for delivery. This piece was such a fun challenge. It's actually my first commission on an A1 size paper. I started drawing the hair. If you're a frequent viewer, you'll know that I usually start from drawing the eyes, but I wanted to draw the hair first so that I could easily get the right skin tones. You can see the textures and shadows start coming together. These parts always feel so satisfying. Big shout out to my client for trusting me with this commission, and thank you to everyone who keeps supporting my art journey. Once the artwork was complete, it was time for the final touches, a quick cleanup, and then the most important part, packaging. Since my client lives in a different town, I had to make sure the artwork would travel safely. So here you see the guys helping me out, carefully wrapping it in bubble wrap, making sure every corner is protected. We took our time sealing it up, adding layers and making sure it looked clean and professional. If you enjoyed the behind the scenes process, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. There's a lot more art coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.